The Food Media Network presents Kitchen Lingo, the 5-second culinary vocab learning challenge. Common culinary terms range from various ways to serve and prepare food and beverages, to kitchen items and equipment, to the names of the dishes themselves. Cooking definitions can also come from languages other than English, such as French and Italian, which can sometimes be challenging to understand. However, learning as many kitchen terms and culinary vocabulary as you can helps provide a fundamental knowledge for any food and beverage professional or enthusiast. Do you know what today's word means in the culinary world? Well, you will have 5 seconds before the answer is revealed. But if you need more time, you can always hit pause. Today's word is quinoa, spelled Q-U-I-N-O-A, quinoa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
According to the Food Lover's Companion, quinoa was a staple of the ancient Incas, who called it the mother grain, and to this day it is a very important food in South American cuisine. Hailed as the super grain of the future, quinoa contains more protein than any other grain, and it's considered a complete protein because it contains all 8 essential amino acids. It is also higher in unsaturated fats and lower in carbohydrates than most grains, and it provides a rich and balanced source of vital nutrients. Tiny and bead-shaped, the ivory-colored quinoa cooks like rice and expands to 4 times its original volume. Its flavor is delicate, almost bland, and has been compared to that of couscous. Okay, if you knew what the word meant, good job! If you didn't know, well, you do now, and the word has been added to your Kitchen Lingo word inventory. Thank you for playing, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It's free, so that way you'll be notified when the next Kitchen Lingo Culinary Vocab Learning Challenge is available.